Now let's begin with the play ball button. By the way, in the previous video, I forgot to give a semicolon there. There was an error there. So play ball button is clicked baseball key listener. So here is the one. So if button is a panel get play button, then this is a play ball. So when game play begins, we need to start the game. So we need to have from game panel, we need to create the baseball object and then set it and then change the state as a playing. So baseball game, let's give setters and the getters there. So public baseball game get baseball, return baseball, public void set baseball, baseball game, baseball is provided, then this dot baseball is a baseball there. So the button is clicked. First step is we need to set a new baseball object there. So panel set baseball new baseball game, and then random keys are generated there, and then panel set game state is a baseball game panel has a game state, and then playing is the value there, and then key field we need to display that, and then that's from the baseball game object. So actually we need to have a base, let's have a var baseball new baseball game object. We need to have access to that, to this way, and we will have a integer array as a game, so a game key. So int array keys is a baseball dot get key. Then three integers are there, so let's convert it to string. So string key string is keys 0 concatenate with the empty string, and then keys 1 keys 2 there, and then let's display the game key. So panel get game key field there, and then set text is a key string there, and then we need to reset the guess field, get guess field set text. It may be restarting the game, so we need to clean up the current display. It's blank, and then finally enable digit buttons. That was all disabled at the beginning before we click the play button. So for button, and then panel get digit buttons. So for all buttons, b dot set enable true there. That's what we need to do. One more thing is that as we change playing, we are expecting a new drawing on the screen, but at this moment the new drawing will not happen. Anyway, let me show you and then explain what's happening. So start the program, baseball, click play to start, play, and all the digit buttons are enabled as we wrote, but the screen is not updated. But if I resize the screen, then it appears. So here is something you need to understand, the canvas of a Java Swing library. That is, on canvas, the paint component method, you will, as a programmer, you will never ever call it. But this one is called by the operating system virtual machine whenever the rendering is needed on the screen. So this one will be done passively. So all you do here is you are writing such info into graphics memory. So into the graphics memory, you write the font or you draw some shapes and so on. But that's not appearing on the screen immediately. Only it happens on the computer graphics memory. Then after changing the computer graphics memory, and then how do you have it redrawn on the, or refresh the screen again? That is one method that you should do. So when everything is done, so here is a playing button. So everything is done here. Then at this moment you need to ask the graphics to refresh the screen. That is, you need to get the panel, get canvas. Canvas has a repaint method. So as you call repaint from the canvas, get canvas has E at the end. I guess on the panel I made a mistake. So get canvas. So let me change that, correct spelling, E there. So that's the one. So since you cannot call paint component yourself, and then you need to ask the operating system to do so. That is a repaint method. So if you expect any changes on the screen, canvas screen, then after made a change, call repaint. So let's run and see how it works. Baseball and play ball. Now canvas gets updated. Secret keys are there. Guess we didn't implement that part yet. If I do play ball again, game key changes because a new baseball game object is created. Play ball. You can see that secret game key changes each time as we restart the game.